ba hostel ya Nancefield ba tshoganyeditswe ke metsi a merwalela mo bosigong ba la botlhano. Furniture ya karetsang di television le ditsidifatsi di sentswe ke metsi. Tokololo ya komiti ya meyara e maleba le tsa bonno mlungisi Mabaso a re batlile go bolotsa dipatlisiso malebana le sebakwa sa merwalela kwa hosteleng.
There is a construction of the bridge and there is a dam that they have tampered with, so that dam started flowing towards the hostel, so they have dug a trench which is diverting the water now to flow the opposite direction.
Khabagare ba ditirelo tsa tshoganyetso tsa Johannesburg ba re ba malala laotswe.
Most of our residents in our low-lying areas, they are actually residing along river streams. If you look at areas like Kliptown in Soweto, they've got a river stream, Klip Valley. You look at Alexander, they've got the Jackskay, which is cutting right across areas like Soweto. So our message to say that they need to avoid crossing these river streams because they might be stuck, while they're trying to cross there.
Baagi ba hostel ya Nancefield ba simolotse go phepafatsa go latela dipula tseno tsa merwalela tse di solofetsweng go tswelela mo letsatsing la Sontaga. Offense Stimo, SABC News, Nancefield Hostel kwa Soweto.